In today's video, I am going to teach you how to share board in Miro. To begin, open Miro in your browser and go to your board. In this example, we are already on a new board, but the sharing process is the same for any board you own or have permission to manage. Once the board is open, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct workspace and looking at the content you actually want to share, because the settings you choose will control who can access this board. Next, locate the share area at the top of the board interface and click it. This opens the sharing panel where you can control access. You will see different options for who can view the board. For this walkthrough, click the option labeled Anyone with the link. Choosing this means that access is based on the URL. Anyone who receives the link can open the board, depending on the permission level you set next. This is useful when you want to share quickly without adding specific people one by one. After selecting Anyone with the link, set the permission level. Click the role drop-down and choose Editor. Editor access allows people with the link to make changes on the board, such as adding notes, moving objects, and collaborating in real time. This is ideal for team workshops or brainstorming sessions. If you are sharing a board for feedback only, you would normally choose a more limited role. But for this tutorial, we are selecting Editor, so make sure you only send the link to people you trust to edit. Now, click the Share area again to return to the sharing options and continue. In the same panel, find and click Embed. The Embed option is designed for sharing your board inside another platform, such as a website or an internal page, rather than sharing only a direct link. Once you are in the Embed section, click Publish. Publishing turns on the embedded version of your board so it can display properly wherever you place it. After you publish, Miro will provide the embed details you need for your destination. As a quick tip, if you change your mind later, you can come back to these same settings to adjust access or stop publishing, and that is all there is to it.